How long does it take to apply each extension system? Now, that's a loaded question. When you are new at any extension system, it absolutely is going to take you much longer than when you're experienced. So first we'll talk about weft extensions. When applying your weft extensions, anyone who's a newbie, I always recommend to give yourself roughly 1 hour per row for the installation. Now, once you're experienced, once you've been sewing for quite some time, we know that absolutely speeds up. My weft installations take roughly 25 to 30 minutes per row. Now, when you're applying camo, absolutely camo takes much longer to stack the wefts and to sew. So when you're brand new to camo, allow yourself roughly 2 hours per row. Once you're really in the rhythm and you've been doing camo for quite some time, it takes me roughly 45 to 50 minutes per row. Let's talk about tape-in extensions. We know tape-in extensions are very quick. When you're new to tape-in extensions, please allow yourself roughly 1.5 hours to 2 hours for the complete application. Once you're really in the hang of things, this should take you under 1 hour for the entire application. Now let's go into our keratin fusion and our cylinder application. This application takes roughly the same amount of time because each are single strand extensions. Now this is a tricky one as well because single strand extensions with keratin fusion, depending if you're applying micro bonds or full bonds, it could take you longer. If I'm taking a full bond, cutting it in half, I'm now applying 2 micro bonds. It's going to take twice the amount of time. However, let's just discuss a full head of single strand extensions. Let's say we're doing 100 bonds, for instance. That should take you, when you're brand new, roughly 4 to 5 hours. Leave yourself plenty of time for this application. Once you're really speeding up and getting much more comfortable with the system, it should take you roughly 1 to 2 minutes per bond.